If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To access help in Publisher for Microsoft 365, click the Help button towards the right end of the title bar. Alternatively, click the Help tab in the ribbon in Publisher, and then click the Help button in the Help button group. Performing either action then opens the Help task pane at the right side of the application window and shows its default home page of Help topics. To close the Help pane in Publisher, click the X button in its upper right corner after you finish finding Help topics. To search for Help topics in Publisher, type the search term or terms to find into the long white text box in the toolbar at the top of the Help pane. After entering your search term, then either click the search button at the left end of the white text box or press the Enter key on your keyboard to find help topics that match the search term or terms you entered. Search results of matching help topics then appear as a listing of hyperlinks in the Help pane. Click a hyperlinked help topic to view its content in the Help pane. To go back one page in the Help pane, click the Back button in the toolbar at the top of the pane. Alternatively, to return to the Home page in the Help pane, click the Home button in the toolbar at the top of the pane. You can then continue reading other help topics, perform another search, or simply close the pane if you are finished. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.